Do that, keep doing that. I'm gonna try it in wide angle. Okay, ready? And then I'm gonna do the regular zoomed in. Okay, and then now we're gonna zoom in a bit more to see what it looks like. Stop moving your head so much.
Kinda Maria, she's barely Maria, but she's surely Maria, just kinda.
I don't get it.
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode on my channel. Today, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a salad. And not just any old salad, a vegan salad. Why are you eating a vegan salad? That's so boring. Just eat your vegetables, okay? They're good for you. You need to eat them so you don't be depressed. Let's go make the salad. And even though I'm pretty sure you don't need anyone to teach you how to make salad, but clearly you're YouTubing it. So you're welcome. I'd like to preface and say that I'm also making... I keep hearing weird noises. Hello? Salad is very easy, okay? I'm gonna take you over to the green section, show you what I got. I got some kale, some parsley, some alfalfa, some romaine lettuce, some dill, watercress, frisky lettuce, some shredded carrot, color. We got some radicchio. How do I know what kind of greens to put in my salad? Honestly, I don't know, but I just think in terms of variety, because if you have a lot of vegetables like kale, you're not gonna want to eat it because there's no freshness, there's no like bite of joy eating. I mean, not that anyone gets joy out of eating a salad. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wash all of our veggies, okay? Because we don't want some spiders. Next, we are gonna cut all of our vegetables really small. And I preface really small because if you don't cut them small enough, you're not going to eat it because your brain likes things in tiny pieces when you don't like eating it. To top our salad, we're gonna be adding a sunflower chickpea ball. It's kind of like a falafel. So you got your blender, you need a can of chickpeas, sunflower butter, tomato paste, a little bit of parsley. We're gonna put the zest of 1 lime and the juice of half a lime. We're gonna add some really good quality olive oil to help bind everything together. Salt, pepper. We're gonna slap that in and let it go. That's good texture. So all I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking a tablespoon of this mixture, rolling it around in my hand, and I'm gonna be putting it in the chia seed mixture and covering it all around until it's nice and coated. It should look like that. I know it looks weird and it doesn't look very appetizing, but these are really good for you because it's packed in protein and they taste great with the salad. So just shut up and make them. Once you have chopped up all of your vegetables, it is time to assemble the salad. Got some glass container like this. If you don't have one, it's fine. You can use your plastic containers that are killing all the baby turtles in the planet. Pack everything into these plastic bags. So we're gonna add a little bit of kale, some romaine lettuce. This will add some crisp texture for our non-salad eaters. Some radicchio. I think it's called radicchio. So that's just gonna add some nice bright green color.
That's not green.
Oh, I mean Frisca lettuce. I think it's called Frisco. Frisco?
No way it's frisky lettuce.
Yeah, it was like frisky lettuce or something. Have I eaten this lettuce before? No, absolutely not. Do I know what it tastes like? Not really. Just a kale salad is kind of boring and nobody wants to eat that, alright? I'm just like some nice watercress, crispy watercress. I don't know if it's an herb. Is it an herb? I'm not really sure, but I really like watercress, so I'm gonna put it in there. Carrot, just regular old carrot. I got some shredded carrot because lazy to cut carrots by myself. So just make your life easier and buy some shredded carrot, alright? I don't know what this thing is called, okay? I'll put it up on the description. How do you pronounce this? This thing.
Let me see. Oh, that's easy. Kohlrabi.
Kohlrabi.
Yeah.
Kohlrabi.
Yeah. But you gotta put the in.
Put some alfalfa and radish greens because variety, that's what I was saying. It's good for your gut microbiome. I don't know if they're good for you, they look cool. So you put some parsley in here. And then we got some dill. Dill is really great because it tastes great. All right.
Oh wow, good insight.
Thank you. Our little sesame and chickpea balls. These are really good.
So cute.
I know, they're so adorable. Aren't they so cute?
What's his name?
Bob.
He looks like a Bob.
It's a Bob. Here's my knife. The lime wedge in half. This is for easy squeezing for later. And then as a dressing, we're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. You can put this on now, but I'm gonna eat this tomorrow, so. Yeah, that's my salad. You can also put some roasted broccoli. I've put that in there before. That's tasted amazing. Put some avocado. Oh, you can put some olives. This olives that's been sitting here for some time, not open. You could put some hot pepper rings in there if you're feeling spicy. You could add some eggs. Organic. You could add cucumber. That's really good. You could add some flax seeds. Those are good as well. And then,
Oh my god.
that's it. You can add that in your salad. So all I'm trying to say is your salad doesn't need to be boring. You don't need to just eat kale and some meat. You can make an amazing vegan salad. Even though I don't like eating vegan things, sometimes eating vegan is cheaper. You know, all this stuff costs $50 for the week, and that's like 6 days worth of food. If my case is not clear, this salad should be the reason why you should be eating this, okay? The reason why you should be making it by yourself, because it's very easy. Anyways, I hope you liked this video and you make it, because it's not hard, okay? If you need to look up YouTube videos of how to make salads, it's fine. I'm here to help you, but they are not difficult to make whatsoever. Just saying, okay? Hope you make this salad, it's amazing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs like, and if you like my channel,
Pluck off, pluck off.